So very important for you guys to know, I'm not a mechanic. I don't claim to be a mechanic. None of those things. I'm just a regular guy trying to figure out how to work in my bike. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Check it out, quick video, because if you didn't watch a video that I posted before this one, you guys know that I left the primary or the derby cover open and I start up the bike and oil went pretty much everywhere. Now, that was so stupid, but so dumb of me. You could tell me in the comments, maybe one of the things that you got to do is check your bike before you turn it on or something. I mean, I do understand that it was ridiculous what I did, but nevertheless, you know what? We made mistakes, so I guess we learn from that. Now, I'm going to do a couple things. First of all, you're going to hear little Manny back here because he's playing battle, and that is way better than playing with my tools because he makes a mess everywhere, but it's okay. But what I'm going to do is that I'm going to switch the mirrors, and you guys seen it, they are down here, and I'm going to tell you, I don't like it. I really don't like it. I don't know if people out there have videos, advantages versus disadvantages. I don't know. I think they look cool. I really think that they look really, really cool. I mean, I dig, obviously, the look. It looks, to me, fantastic. Nevertheless, it doesn't provide that much flexibility. Well, flexibility is not the word that I was looking for. It's more like visibility. Like, I can't see nothing. Really can't see nothing. All I see is my armpits. I don't know, maybe I need some kind of extension to stand them out a little bit more or not. But nevertheless, you know what? I don't like it. I like the cool look, but I want them to be practical. I want them to be usable. So I'm going to change them up, and let's see how that works out. All right, there it is. Not as sexy as it was before, but you know what? That would do it. And again, it should give me better visibility. I'm still going to get some glue. Let's see if it works or not, but I'm going to put some glue in here to see if it holds this mirror in place because it's like moving way too much. Jeremy told me to do that. So again, that's something coming up in the future. Once I do it, if it actually works, I'm going to update you guys and let you definitely know. All right, let's remove this derby cover and let's try to have the bike as level as you can. All right, so I went to the Harley dealer, and this is what I got right here. I don't think this is necessary. I don't think this is something that you have to get. But nevertheless, I saw a couple guys using this. It was like $8 or something like that, or $9, $10. I don't know. It was like $10 or something like that. And again, I thought it was kind of cool, and I figured, you know what? If I'm going to be doing my own changes and things like that, this is something that I could use in the future. So what this does is that it's going to be connected to the derby cover, not derby cover, the inner by the clutch, assemble it. I'm going to show it to you guys. And then you could pour your oil through here and it should make it a little bit less messy. So again, that's what I got. And I got some of this. I'm coming up to an oil change. I just want to kind of top it up, you know, in the next, I don't know, maybe 2,000 miles or so. I had to do a full oils and all that stuff. So I figure, you know what, I'm just not going to replace, or I'm not going to spend too much money. The guy told me, hey, this would do it. You know, just put sun and top it up, and that's about it. Now, from looking at it, it looks like it does need some oil. So let's take a closer look. All right, so I removed the derby cover, and obviously this is what we got right here. Obviously this right here is where we adjust the clutch, and as you can see, the oil came out due to my mistake. And as far as I know, let me make sure I got some lighting here. You're supposed to follow this right here, the top of that. And if you follow all the way around, someplace around here is where the oil should be, right? So again, if you look inside there, you should be able to see some oil, which right now, as you can see, I really don't see much oil in there. So I don't know exactly how this is supposed to clamp in there or not clamp or whatever, but this is how it looks. right, so hopefully you guys can see that right there. You're starting to see the oil right there. Kind of hard to see it in the camera, but trust me, it's there. You can see a little bit right there. So that's pretty much how you check that level and put oil. This little funnel right here was definitely pretty helpful. I mean, it made it very, very simple to put oil in there. All right, guys, there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and as always, God is in control.